give it a go. No matter how far you get, you are going to benefit from the effort you put in.
I'd say then go for it, push yourself. It's good, you get to learn new skills.
Just don't procrastinate. If you can even practice half an hour in the evening, that's better than nothing.
Give it a try and do your best. It's a good experience.
I think for the tutors looking to enter the competition next year, I'd say, one, just do it. It's a fantastic opportunity, and actually the things that the students are learning here is something that is an experience that I would suggest any young person to do. In terms of the teaching, I'd say, think about your design thinking. Don't necessarily think about, I guess, the equipment side of things and the cost. Just think about the robustness of your students and how they approach different design tasks, and go from there, because actually if they can hit the ground running and they can adopt a bit of technology this quickly, then that's the key thing.